The Samsung S85F is one of those TVs that walks into your living room like it owns the place. Thin, bright, confident. The kind of screen that makes your old TV look like it came free with a cereal box. But of course, there's a problem. Because somewhere in the future, Samsung is cooking up the S85H, the mysterious upgrade that exists mostly in leaks, rumors, and the imagination of people who never buy anything because next year will be better. For current pricing and availability, you can check the link in the description. So let's talk about whether you should grab the S85F now or sit on your couch refreshing tech news like it's a stock market. First off, the S85F is powered by Samsung's fancy AI brain that upscales everything to crispy 4K. Old YouTube videos suddenly look like they were filmed yesterday. Cable TV goes from, "Why am I paying for this?" to, "Okay, not terrible." It analyzes scenes in real time, boosts brightness, sharpens detail, and basically babysits every pixel. Brightness and contrast are where this TV really flexes. Dark scenes actually look dark instead of like a gray fog. Bright scenes pop so hard you might squint during explosions. Samsung's processor boosts highlights so even tiny details shine, like reflections in car windows, sweat in sports replays, and yes, every pore on actors' faces. Motion is buttery smooth too. Sports look clean, fast pans don't blur into soup, and gaming is smooth enough to make you blame yourself instead of lag when you lose. With high refresh rates and VRR support, the S85F is basically saying, "Yes, gamer, I got you." And then there's the magic trick where it turns normal SDR content into HDR-like quality. Suddenly, your old Netflix shows look brighter, richer, and way more dramatic than they ever had a right to be. Now about waiting for the S85H. Let's be real, the S85H will probably be a little brighter, a little faster, and a little more expensive. That's how tech works. But here's the thing, the S85F already looks amazing right now. Like, your friends won't shut up about it, amazing. So if you find the Samsung S85F at a good discount, it's absolutely worth grabbing. Waiting forever for the next model is how people end up watching YouTube on a cracked 42-inch TV from 2012. Buy the S85F, enjoy your life, and let future you worry about the S85H. Because TVs come and go, but movie night is forever.